Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be fitting KW version 3 coilovers to this T5 behind us and a new set of wheels. So we better get cracking. Right, let's have a look what we've got. Bit of foam. They should look well in a grey van. So we've already got Bilsteins on and they are bottomed out. Wants to go lower. If you haven't got yourself one of these spreading tools, if you're going to be doing some suspension at home, I'd advise you to get one. You can get them off the internet. What it does is you put it in the gap of the hub and you turn it and it actually spreads the gap so you can slide the strut out of the hub. Yeah, well you can see it just down there. It's in the actual gap of the hub, and if you turn it, it'll actually spread the hub apart. So it's super handy, and you can actually leave it in there while you pull the strut out and then put it on and off, leave it in. Bit of lube. Should always lube up. Makes it going easier. Moving on to the rear, we're going to take the rear shocker off, which mounts to the hub there. Spin that bolt out. The other one goes into the chassis up there, if you can just see. Then we'll be able to pull the arm down, get the spring out. I'll do that both sides, and then we'll compare them to the other ones that are going in. transmission jack on this rear arm to take the load off there. Shock about that. Should be able to lower this down a little bit. There we go. Then we'll do the other side. Pull the springs and shocks off. Number 2. Top bolts out, the shockers now. A quick side-by-side comparison of the KW and the Bilstein. You can see a little bit different. And the spring for the KW, it's like a 2-piece affair with a helper spring. And then you've got your normal type of spring that was the Bilstein. I'm going to set off with all the settings for the rebound, damping, etc. We're going to set them to halfway. So then we can adjust from there to the customer's liking. quick measurements of the top adjusters so we get them even. The customer said he wants not much arch gap. We have arch fully full. So at least we know where we start so we can adjust from there. A bit more, I think. That's the van on the ground, so to speak. Looks good. It's good with them new wheels on. The instructions on the customer didn't want little or no arch gap. Let's say we've got a hand's width there, so we can adjust that down a little bit. What we like on the front. We're not far off. Little hand, all equal. So what I'll do is adjust them up or down, and then we'll have another look. Yeah. Job done. Happy customer. Van looked great. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos of what we're up to, click on the like and subscribe at the bottom of the screen, and I'll see you later.